Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Al Quran, deaf, dumb, and blind, they will not return to the path. Al Quran and 18. The Quran contains a complete code of life for the individual and society. Alhamdulillah. Praise is to Allah. The Quranic way of life is far superior to the isms that modern man has invented out of sheer ignorance. Who can give better guidance than the Creator himself? I pray that his humble effort is accepted by Allah, to whom I pray for mercy and guidance. Amin. Welcome everyone, men and women. Islam is the better life. Thank you so much.